What's up, good people? This is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up with Larry Jones. As you can see, I got a sign behind me that says Stocks with Josh. I'm going to explain that in a minute. I'm sorry I didn't make a video today because I really wasn't in the market. I am feeling a little under the weather. But I just wanted to make this because I saw something that inspired me so much. And this is for those of you that are looking to create other streams of income, quote unquote side hustle. I just want to show you guys this. Look at here. I absolutely love this dude, man. His name is Al Blades, right? Al Blades. And let me just play a little bit of what he does. And check this out.
I was wondering if you would like me to mow your yard. I do free yard makeovers.
Free? You make me want to cry. Oh my god.
What's up, beautiful people? My name's Al, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we got a wonderful one because we got to help some people out. It actually took a while to find someone to help out because I knocked on a few doors, no one answered. I drove around for a long time just looking to find someone to help out, and then at the corner of my eye, I see a yard that looks super neglected. So I did a U-turn and went right back to that yard, knocked on the door, and I'm glad I did. The reason why it was so neglected is because their old lawn guy just went MIA, missing in action. So this yard, the grass was pretty tall on one side of the yard, and there was a lot of trees and pepper trees that I decided to make over because I got some new tools. So I hope you
So you guys get the gist of the story. I had to show you this. And you say, hey, yeah, Larry, that's a dude cutting somebody's grass, right? Look at this. This video got 7 million views. Over 202,000 people liked it. This guy built a page of 400 and almost 50,000 subscribers. Look at this. Let's look at how many views that this guy is getting. 3 days ago, 407,000, 730,000, 7 million, 6 million, 1.7 million. You know, and I just wanted to briefly tell you guys that if you put your mind to it, you can create something that other people want to consume. I found myself watching this dude just cut grass. And there are some of you guys that have talent, unique talent. I don't care if you make little airplanes and you fly. I was talking to a friend of mine today, the Hersman, Perry Hersman, and he makes these little model planes and he just flies them. And you may be a decorator or whatever your niche is. You literally could start an Instagram, a YouTube, and make a little change, make some extra money so you can invest. And so that's why I just wanted to share this with you guys. Sometimes I just want to talk to y'all, family, about things outside of trading, about life itself. And this is one of those cool things. He's doing people a service that's making them feel good. He does this once a week. He's not charging, but I have to commend him for thinking, let me just get a camera and start to film this and put it out there. And it's turned into a really cool thing for him. I'm also going to show you guys this in closing. This is Stocks with Josh. You guys know that we've been doing the whole Technical Tuesday thing, which you guys have been absolutely loving, okay? And we love that you love it. And so, yeah, this is Stocks with Josh. We just released this video, how to use Moo step by step, all right? And so I want you to see that there, but there's also a video here for those of you that want to learn how to chart. So we have how to use the Moo app. We just uploaded this, and then charting for absolute beginners, okay? So we're gonna leave it right there. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I wasn't gonna make a video, but when I saw that guy doing that with the grass, Mr. Al Blades, I thought that was a brilliant idea. If you guys know any unique ways of making extra revenue or something you've thought of or actually done, leave me a comment, because there are things that you could do outside of traditional avenues to bring in an income, all right? So the video that we made earlier on how to use the Moo app, check it out in this link in this box right here. Make sure you subscribe to this page. Make sure you download those links on my page here, Moo. I want you to download that one. That's what I'm going to say. Just download the Moo app, and in the description below, and they have a promotion going on where you can get 5 free stock worth thousands of dollars. So just read it. Good people, I'm going to leave it right there. Pray for your boy. We will see you Monday, all right? Make sure you watch this video. Live, love, laugh, and learn.